Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel WebToTech. And in today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to change WhatsApp chat theme. So first of all, launch WhatsApp on your mobile devices. Once you come here, go ahead and tap on three dots at the top right. From here, go ahead and tap on Settings. Once you come here, go ahead and tap on Chats. Now, from here, go ahead and tap on Default Chat Theme. From here, you can choose any of these chat themes given. You can also tap on Chat Color and choose the theme of your chat color accordingly. So, choose any of these options and then you would be able to change your chat theme once you tap on the Done option at the top right. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.